viewers, welcome to DM Astrology. This video is basically made for the eclipse that we are going to see very soon. In 1 month period there is 2 eclipses there. Already we have seen the effect of the solar eclipse happened on 26th of December 2019, where there was a 6th planet also has been connected and it was an eclipse time. Thereafter in last year we have seen 3 eclipses continuously within the 45 days, that is 30 days. 5th June 2020 we have seen the lunar eclipse. 21st June 2020 we have seen the solar eclipse, and 5th of July we have seen the again lunar eclipse, and that effect we are still facing now also. So what will be going to happen in this 15 days where there is a continuously 2 eclipse one after another? So first eclipse what we are going to see recently is on 26th of May 2021 is a lunar eclipse, Chandragrahan. Lunar eclipse is happening on the Scorpio sign, as moon is doubleted and it is seated with the moon and Ketu, opposite to which it is a sun and Rahu is together. So those having sun and Rahu in the chart, those having a moon and Ketu in the chart, they can do remedy during this period. Ultimately it's a Grahan eclipse. Eclipse or Grahan means to absorb, to take away. So it takes away the result of a moon, it takes away the result of sun when it is a solar eclipse. That is also going to happen soon. Now this eclipse are going to see in the eastern part of India. That is it is seen partially in the east part of this. One is Port Blair. It is going to see in the Port Blair, that is Andaman Nicobar. Then Imphal, Silchar, Itanagar, Calcutta, Agartala, Cherrapunji and Guwahati. In this area, that is called Northeast India, Northeast region of India, where this is going to see. And this is a lunar eclipse, so it will affect mentally. So one has to be very ready for the anything which is related to the mentally. So all mental anxiety, mental fear, mental stress will be happen in this period. To reduce the effect of this, we have to do the remedy. So in all the eclipse, the best remedy is to donate the rice. Rice is the best remedy, so you can donate the rice. You can do the Shanti or Jap for Rahu, for Mahamrityunjay mantra also you can do. You can do Bhairav Shanti, you can do Rahu mantra part. You can do the lunar, that is a Chandra mantra. You can do the mantra or chanting of moon. These all are the part of a remedy. It is, now we'll see when it will be the timing. The timing is very important when it touch. So both will be going to touch by afternoon 3 hours and 14 minutes. That is 15 hours and 14 minutes. Both will come together, touch each other. Then there will be a center portion on 1648. That is 4 hours and 48 minutes. Both will come into the center, overlapping each other. Thereafter there is a return part start. So return part will start by 1657. So the complete eclipse will be all around 9 minutes to 10 minutes, where both will be connected to each other. So return time will start by 1657, that is 4:57 p.m. and the complete release of the Grahan will be 1822, that is 6 hours and 22 minutes p.m. in the evening. Now all the Grahans are very important, whether it's a partial or whether it's complete. It affects 3 to 6 months. So during this 3 to 6 months, the person may get mentally affected. It is also affect the tendency of a people, behavior of a people, as well as the government. As a lunar eclipse, it is to be taken care by the females, mother, and those who are connected with the emotional things. Especially lunatic and mentally affected people has to be taken care during this period. So it is a Sun Rahu and Moon Ketu effect, so you have to do the Shanti for this. For what sign it will be positive? It is good for the Gemini, Virgo, Capricorn and Aquarius. These 4 signs will be having positive result. It will be average result, not good, not bad for Taurus, Cancer, Libra and Pisces sign. They will be having the average result. And 4, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius and Scorpio. These 4 sign having a bad effect. So these 4 sign people must do Shanti for it, Japa, Tapa. So you can do the mantra by keeping the rice on your hand, and you can do the mala, and then you can donate that to the people. Or you can just drop into the water, ocean or any flow water. So that will be the remedy you can do. So this is all about the lunar eclipse that is going to face during this period, and we have to take care as it is affecting in the Indian continental eastern part. Now we are talking about the second eclipse, that is a solar eclipse. This solar eclipse is going to happen on 10th June 2021. It is going to happen on this Vrishab Rasi, that is a Taurus sign. So it is going to happen on Taurus, where Sun, Moon and Rahu will be together. Now see, that was a Amavasya, that is no moon day. So moon, even exalted, have no power. Power goes to the Sun because Sun has taken the power, and Sun lose its power by Rahu as being it is eclipse. So this is a very important period where whenever the Sun eclipse is there, it affects the physical health, immunity, vitality, government, politics, all elderly people or sick people. So although this eclipse is not going to seen in the Indian continental or Indian parts, but still we have to take care during this period. Now it will be going to affect on the North America part, region of North America, Europe, Asia, some partial part of the Asia, then North Canada, it will going to see in Greenland, Russia, this all will be going. This will be the solar ring, that is called as a Kankana Kriti also. So it is a solar ring eclipse where the partially it's look like a overlapping and there is a shining part will be there as like a ring. That is why it is called solar ring. Now the timing of this eclipse will be, as it is not in the happen in the India, but still we have to take care of this. So it will be touch, both the beam will be touched on 13:42, that is 1:42 p.m. Then they will come into the center by 16:11. So by 16:11 they both will attach each other. It will be returned by 17:03, that is 5 hours and 3 minutes in the afternoon. So altogether it is approximately 55 minutes it is going to affect. That is the duration of an eclipse. Then it will be going to release, because return time is 5:03, and it will be released completely, both will be separated by 18:41, that is 6:41 p.m. So this is a time period during that what you have to do the remedy, you have to do the all kind of donation, charity during this period. It will be positive for the Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius and Pisces sign. So they will be getting good benefit, but still they can donate. It will be average time for Aries, Virgo, Scorpio and Capricorn. It will be average for them, and it will be not good for Taurus, because it is happening on Taurus, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. They will be not having good for this eclipse. So by knowing this all, we come to know that 2 eclipses are there. One eclipse that is on the 26th of May 2021 going to happen on Scorpio. The lunar eclipse will be going to seen in the India. So it will be affecting mentally, stress and anxiety. Another was on 10th of June 2021. It will be a solar eclipse that will be going to happen not in the India, and it will be a partial, that's where Sun, Rahu and Moon all together. So need to be done Shanti, Upasana and all kind of a donation. In solar eclipse one can donate the wheat. Wheat is also good because the Sun is eclipse. Sun has been absorbed. So one can donate the wheat. Also you can apply saffron. Saffron also you can put here, so it will give the strength. You can donate the cow also. You can donate cow if your capacity is permitting, or you can donate the saffron after the eclipse. So this eclipse affect on the day, previous day and after 1 day. So 3 days it is going to affect, and that is why it is called Kari Din. So one has to be very careful about solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, and that will be going to affect for 3 to 6 months. It will be going to affect 3 months to 6 months, during which the political, immunity, health, all things will be going to affect. So this will be taken care. So with this we are completing this chapter, and hope you like this video. You will definitely apply this and share with others, so others will also get benefit. You may contact me in my number and in my email also. You can connect with me in my Facebook page DM Astrology Dharmesh Mehta, or in Instagram also you may connect to get more and more information. So hope you like this video. Thank you very much. God bless you. Namaste.